Hello! Today we will be reading an amazing book. It is called Doug's Awesome Earthquake Guide. Bum bum bum! And Jetsons. Bum bum bum! First page! How earthquakes' released energy is measured. Scientists measure the magnitude of the earthquake by using the Richter scale or the Mercalli scale. Magnitude is a measure of the amount of energy released by an earthquake. Awesome! Bum bum bum! Second page! Seismometer. A seismometer can pinpoint the location of an earthquake. Difference in time between arrival of P and S waves to a seismometer station gives the distance to the epicenter of the quake. A seismometer records the waves that an earthquake produces. Oh, and don't forget, bum bum bum, and just bum bum bum, third page. Scientific scales. Richter scale measures the magnitude at the epicenter of the earthquake. Earthquakes are rated from weak to strong by numbers 1 to 9. Mercalli scale measures what people feel. Measures what happens to objects at a set location. Earthquakes are rated with Roman numerals from 1 to 12. Learning time! Modified Mercalli scale. 1. Wap, wap, wap. 2.
Felt by persons at rest on upper floors or favorably placed.
Uh-oh. 3. Felt indoors. Vibrations like light passing trucks. Meep meep. 4. Vibrations like passing of heavy trucks. Meep meep. 5.
Felt outdoors. Small, unstable objects displaced or upset.
Whoops. 6. Felt by a hole. Furniture moved. Weak plaster and masonry cracks. 7.
Difficult to stand. Damage to masonry and chimneys.
8.
Oh my god, partial collapse of masonry. Frame houses moved.
Uh-oh. 9. Masonry seriously cracks, damaged and destroyed. 10. Many buildings and bridges destroyed. Oh, look, there's 11.
Railways bent greatly. Pipelines severely damaged too.
Uh-oh, welders are climbing up the walls. 11. Damage nearly total. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Richter scale measurements. 1.0. Earthquakes just small happen below ground. You can't feel them. Uh-oh. 2.0. Trees sway, small pond, ripple, ripple, ripple. Door swings slowly, but you can't tell that an earthquake is to blame. Uh-oh. 3.0.
You may notice this earthquake if you are sitting still or upstairs in the house. A hanging object like a model airplane or some pictures may swing.
4.0. Buildings shake a little. It feels like a truck is passing by your home. Meep meep. 5.0. If you are in a car, it's probably gonna rock. Glasses and dishes may rattle. Windows may break. Meep meep. 6.0. Uh-oh. Pictures can fall off the walls. Look out below. Furniture moves, and some buildings' walls may crack. 7.0.
It is hard to keep your balance. The ground cracks, the road shakes. Weak buildings fall down. Other buildings are badly damaged. Uh-oh.
8.0.
Very few buildings stay up. Buildings fall down. Bridges fall down. Underground pipelines burst. Railroads bend. Large rocks, oh, they're moving. Small objects are tossed out into the air. Some objects are swallowed by the earth.
Uh-oh. 9.0. Ah! Causes complete devastation and large-scale loss of life. Ah!
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, and this is, oh, did I say hello? Sorry. So this is my earthquake demonstration. So this shows you what happened when Mr. Shakes meets all these little cars. Here we go! 1, 2, 3,